So we must be humble. We cannot say that because we win today 3-0 that we are a good team and we go to fight for the champion. No, no. Selamat malam. First, I want to say terima kasih to the supporters that come here to support us on the stadium. I know that some of them make big sacrifice to come, and also say terima kasih to the supporters that make a fantastic reception on the airport when we arrive to Balikpapan. It was very important to win this match, and all the group want to dedicate to Reza and to Arfan, our players that get big injured, and we wish that they can recover quickly and come more strong. About the game today, I think we have good defensive organization. We not give, special on the first half, too much. We not make too much mistakes in our defensive mid and defensive line. We get more chances on first half, and we get more chances than opponent on the second half also. More corners, more big opportunities. So I think we deserve these 3 points and this win. And we play against a strong team, in my opinion. They don't change too much the squad, and they bring good players. So now it's to be humble, because we win 3 points, but the season going to be very tough, and our next opponent team already played yesterday, so have 1 day more to can recover and to have rest and prepare the game. So I'm happy, and I hope that in the future we can get more points here, but also that the supporters come here to support the players.
First of all, selamat malam for everyone. I would like to thank, big thanks to terima kasih to our supporters that came today. We hope we can continue with the good matches to bring even more of them. It means a lot to us. About the match, we are very happy that we keep 3 points at home. I think we were better team today. We prepared good. Yeah, we are happy for the 3 points.
Ini jadi awal yang sangat bagus untuk PSM dan yang memang ingin menatap musim ini dengan serius. Dan berbeda dengan tim lawan, untuk PSM sendiri kan banyak rekrut pemain baru yang baik lokal maupun asing. Apa ini bakal jadi gambaran ke depannya untuk Liga 1 ini?
We just play 1 game, and we come from 3 games on Piala President that we cannot win, and we conceded 5 goals and we just scored 3. So we must be humble. We cannot say that because we win today 3-0 that we are a good team and we go to fight for the champion. No, no. Other teams have more budget, don't lose many key players like we. We change our squad, many new players. The local players that come, most of them that have experience from Liga Sato, come from teams that are already degradasi, already relegate. It's very difficult to us to sign local players from Liga Sato. And we bet on many young players from academy, other academies. And this is going to take time, because sometimes we expect that our second lines can be improved, but it's going to take time, because many players that we have don't have experience on Liga Sato. So must be humble, and we hope that next match that we're going to play away going to be very difficult match. And when you return here to play for other competition, I hope, and my desire, that the supporters come to support our team and our boys, because they deserve.